This printer is Epson EcoTank ET-2950. What I want to do is to show you how to set this printer up. We're going to connect it to a Wi-Fi network from the control panel. Also show you how to add this to your computer. What you need to do is, once you get to the menu, use right arrow button, go all the way to the settings. So select the settings, select OK, then scroll down to network settings. Select OK to network settings. It will show you print status sheet. Scroll down to Wi-Fi setup. Select OK to proceed. It will show you Wi-Fi direct, easy connect via an app. So select Wi-Fi, then you select OK to proceed. You can print wirelessly from computer and devices via Wi-Fi. Then you select OK. Wi-Fi setup wizard or push button setup or others. So select Wi-Fi setup wizard, select OK. So it's going to search for SSID, wireless router, within the environment where the printer is situated. So it's searching for SSID and the network is found. Once you find the network, then you select OK. Asks you to enter password. So I'm going to enter the password. To enter the password, you need to use up or down or side arrow button to go to specific character. Once you select the particular character, then you select OK. It will record. Then you go to the next. If you want to select uppercase, you need to scroll down to select A1 and hash. Once you select on it, select OK. It will bring a character to uppercase. Then you select specific one. To lower the uppercase, you need to select A1 and hash. Select it again. It will lower the case to 1, 2, 3. Then select it again. You go to lowercase. So once you put the password finish, you need to select OK to submit. Go all the way to the end and select OK. Then it will show you setting up. Setup complete. Then you select OK. Then you go back to the home page. Then it will show you a new firmware update. Then you select OK. Current version update. Then you select OK. Select OK. Then update will take about several minutes. Then you select OK if you want to update the printer. Then you select OK. Preparing to update. Then it will show you customer research. Then you go back. So this is how to connect this printer to a network. So after you connected this printer to a Wi-Fi network from the control panel, I want to show you how to do the full setup guide. You need to go to this website, https://epson.sn/E2950 series. So go to Google from the laptop start, then type https://epson.sn/E2950. Select on it, then scroll down. It will show you ET-290 series setup. Select on it. So it will show you the printer. This is the printer. Once you select on it, will show you the printer. Then the next thing to do is, it picked up my laptop series. So set up Windows. If you have different laptop, you select Mac, iOS, or Android. So Windows selected. Then scroll down, installation and connection. Install the essential software to use your printer. Then select download. Then open the file. Double click the file to open. It will show you Epson web installer setup. Then select yes. updating. Next thing to do is select open to allow location, switch location on. Then you go back, then select next. Click next to begin setup. Select next. Thank you for using this Epson product. Then you select OK. Licensing agreement. Select accept. Have you read and accepted the software licensing agreement? Then you select yes. It will show you provision of product information. I usually uncheck this. They are not compulsory. Then you select next. Check the following. Make sure the printer ink tank is filled up. We have done that in my previous video. Then you select I have finished filling up the ink tank. Then click next. Downloading the required software. Downloading the printer driver. Downloading scanner driver. Installing printer driver. Checking the environment. Then connection method. You select connect automatically via Wi-Fi network. So select Wi-Fi network via wireless and the printer is found. So you found the printer on the network ET-2950 series. Select on it. Then you select next. So it will show you network setup. Please wait. Setup is in progress. Please wait. This video guide is also applicable to Epson L4360 series. Then you select required software to install. It will show you required software, scanner utility, manual, Epson Photo Plus, Epson Scanner, software updater, and support utility. So you need to select scanner utility and Epson Photo Plus and Epson Scanner 2. I have already installed them on my laptop. Software updater also. Then you select install. Now it's checking ink initialization status. Print a test page. Print test page. Congratulations, you have finished setting up your printer, Epson Connect solution. Then you select next. Checking the system, please wait. Then you select your country. Select OK to your region. Online product registration, I'm going to skip. Setup complete, your product is ready to use. Then you select finish. So this is how to set this printer up and also print out a test page. Thank you very much indeed.